Welcome to my channel Anayat Ali Yasini 804 English Skills Learning. Here are some common daily use English sentences. 1. Morning routine. Good morning. How are you today? Can you pass me the newspaper, please? I need to get ready for work. What's for breakfast today? 2. At work, school. Could you please help me with this? I'll finish this task by the end of the day. Do you have any questions about the project? Let's take a short break. 3. Shopping outdoors. How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? Do you have this in a different size or color? Let's go for a walk in the park. 4. Evening routine. What's for dinner tonight? Let's watch a movie together. I need to check my emails. Good night. Sleep well. 5. Social interaction. Nice to meet you. How was your day? Can we talk later? I'm a bit busy right now. Thank you so much for your help. 6. Travel. Where is the nearest bus stop? Can you tell me the way to the train station? How long will it take to reach there? I'd like to book a ticket to London. If you need more examples in a specific context, let me know. Home and family. 1. Please set the table for dinner. 2. Can you switch off the lights before leaving? 3. I'll do the dishes after dinner. 4. Let's clean the house this weekend. 5. What time will you be back home? 6. Don't forget to lock the door. Travel and transportation. 1. I'm running late. Can you drop me off? 2. When does the next bus arrive? 3. Can you book a cab for me? 4. Do you know where I can get a taxi? 5. Please fasten your seatbelt. At the office. 1. Can we schedule a meeting for tomorrow? 2. I'll get back to you on this shortly. 3. Let me check and confirm. 4. Do you have the updated report? 5. Please send me an email with the details. Health and fitness. 1. I need to drink more water. 2. Let's go for a run this evening. 3. Do you know a good doctor nearby? 4. I have a slight headache today. 5. Remember to take your medicines.